You know what? Sinasabi nila pag ikaw nagsimba sa Katolik ay makasalanan ka. So ako naman, kasi I'm more connected for the real world and the parapolitics and more. The God is come because I'm miracle in the Philippine religion. So perfectly, Philippine is complicated by God. But understanding the Philippine as hindi naman lahat sila mabubunstin, pero merong iba dyan. So, you're impressive and disgusting and bold. So ako, kagabi lang ang umpisa ng Simbang Gabi, December 15 and 25 in of Christmas Eve and holidays. So difficult going to New Year. So what are the New Year resolution? President of the Philippines, BBE Marcos and Donald Trump, ibigay niyo na aking cash money para matigil na yung ating debate. Kung wala kayong malaking pera, okay lang 1 million pesos, okay na yon. Kasi gagamitin ko lang talaga yung pan-business sa aking business talent because living lost never person. Kaya magbigay na lang kayo ng cash money nang matigil ang ating bangin at away at revolution sa portray. Dahil pag hindi talaga kayo nagbabayad sa akin, hindi ko kayo titigilan hanggat nabubuhay ako dito sa mundo. You're never. At ginagamit nyo ko para sa mga platform nyo para kayo umingkres at yumaman at kung ano-ano mga statement dyan. Mga liar kayo, mga hiritan kayo, mga demonyo kayo, or evil you want. Karat. So, to my address bank in call BPI Bank in the Philippines. So, alam niyo ng location, di ba? Pinopost ko sa lahat ng YouTube ko. Hanapin nyo na lang ang doon yun. So, yun nga, mamayang gabi, sisimba na naman ako. So, palang gabi na lang. So, I have a mystery of religion of the Christ. Ako, kahit anong religion, pwede ako pumasok. Kasi nga, mystery ako. Hindi ako prophet. Hindi ako expert. Or whatever other people living kind of possession on earth. But always reject because mukid. Yun yung pakitang tao. Yun yung pointless. You just speak real for words but no action for your works and body. Hindi puro salita, gawin. No driver car but no gasoline supply. Kaya hindi gagana lahat ng mga gusto mong maganap sa daigdig at overdosed. Okay, understanding? This is my last message. So, I had a problem over TikTok now and longer for policies to me and living for maiden. Stop doing all corrupted and business owner for CEO. Something this stupid for longer politics war and revolution. Okay? So, sa Australian, so terrorist attack, so wala na tayong pakalam doon kasi hindi naman natin bansa yun. Andito tayo sa Philippines, nagkakagulong bansa na to. Whatever you want, whatever your city is, timeline in your near life work and everlasting longer for pound. Diba? Wala na tayong pakialaman. Pero ignoring our virgins is positive for always reaction that will was dramatic for crisis and revolution fasting. Kayong gumagawa lahat ng revolusyon dahil kayo ay mga hangal at brutal. Well, but a losing soul is going to die. Ganun talaga. Hindi naman tayo may liligtas ng pera natin kasi material lang yan, parang katawan natin tumatanda, nabubulok, nagiging abo, kaya walang immortal pagdating sa mga ganyan. Kaya sabi ko, what are you doing now and longer to me and what you want and doing to forever on you because you believe for the beginning and the end of the earth, the second coming of Jesus Christ in World War III. Okay? Thank you. Follow to my YouTube channel. Bye.